Welcome to my channel RR into your kitchen. Please subscribe my channel for more delicious recipes. Today's recipe, restaurant style hot and sour vegetable soup, hot and sour chicken soup. Preparation of this soup is quick and simple. This soup gives you a great relief when you are suffering from severe cold and cough. Ingredients you need to prepare this soup: chopped ginger 2 teaspoons, 3 chopped garlic cloves, 1 chopped spring onion white, 1 chopped spring onion green, 1 chopped carrot, half chopped bell pepper, 3 to 4 chopped green beans, quarter cup chopped cabbage, 3 to 4 chopped mushrooms, boneless chicken 100 grams for chicken soup, 2 eggs, 1 small ginger, 2 garlic cloves, half onion for chicken soup, 3 cups water, hot sauce 1 teaspoon, soy sauce 2 tablespoons, rice or chili vinegar 1 tablespoon, corn flour 2 tablespoons, 2 green chilies, salt 1 teaspoon, pepper powder 1 teaspoon, boiled noodles quarter cup optional. Add half teaspoon pepper powder to boiled noodles and keep aside. Before starting cooking, I'll share a simple tip. To peel garlic cloves easily, microwave it for 20 seconds. You can remove the skin easily. If you don't have microwave, slightly warm up garlic cloves to remove the skin. So let's start with hot and sour vegetable soup. First heat the pan. Add 2 teaspoons oil. Once oil is heated, add chopped spring onions white, ginger, garlic and saute for a minute. Now add mushrooms. Fry till they turn soft and brown. Once mushrooms turn soft, add chopped carrots, chopped bell pepper, chopped beans, chopped cabbage, chopped green chilies and fry for 2 to 3 minutes on a medium-high flame. Once all veg is fried, mix once. Add 1 teaspoon salt, 1 tablespoon vinegar, 1 tablespoon soy sauce, 1 teaspoon pepper powder and mix well with all vegetables. Now add 1 teaspoon hot sauce. Mix with vegetables and cook for a minute. Now add 3 cups water. Mix once and let it boil. Now check for sourness and add another tablespoon of soy sauce. And boil for 10 minutes on a medium flame. After 10 minutes, add little water to corn flour and make a thin paste and pour to the soup. Now mix and stir well. Boil for 2 to 3 minutes or until soup thickens. Finally mix and check for soup consistency. Once soup turns thick, our hot and sour vegetable soup is ready. Turn off the stove. Now I'll show you how to prepare hot and sour chicken soup. First we'll prepare chicken broth. Add 3.5 cups water to saucepan. Add onion, ginger garlic, boneless chicken. Cover and boil for 10 minutes on a medium flame. After 10 minutes, strain broth into a separate bowl. Keep chicken pieces aside and let it cool. Now keep broth aside. Now shred the boiled chicken. And keep aside. Now heat the pan. Add 2 teaspoons oil. Once oil is heated, add chopped spring onions, green chilies, garlic, ginger and saute for a minute. Now add chopped carrot, chopped bell pepper, chopped cabbage. Mix and fry for 2 to 3 minutes on a medium-high flame. After 2 to 3 minutes, add 1 teaspoon salt, 1 teaspoon pepper powder and mix well. Now add vinegar, 2 tablespoons soy sauce, 1 teaspoon hot sauce. Mix well with all vegetables and fry for a minute. After a minute, add broth to the pan. Also add shredded chicken and mix well with the soup. Boil for 10 minutes on a medium-high flame. After 10 minutes, add little water to corn flour and make a thin paste and pour to the soup. Mix and stir well. And boil for 2 to 3 minutes or until soup thickens. Once soup turns thick, mix once. Now take 2 egg whites, add 1 teaspoon water, whisk once and pour to the soup. If you want rich egg texture, you can beat 2 eggs and directly add to the soup. If you want light egg texture, you can follow this step. Mix and stir well until egg mixture mix with the soup. Now our hot and sour chicken soup is ready. Turn off the stove. Now transfer soup to a serving bowls. Hot and sour vegetable soup, hot and sour chicken soup. If you want, you can top up with noodles. This is optional. And garnish with spring onion. Restaurant style hot and sour vegetable soup, hot and sour chicken soup are ready. Serve hot with starters. If you like to try some starters, you can find out from my previous videos. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, click bell icon, subscribe my channel RR Into Your Kitchen for more delicious recipes.